Hi students, today we will discuss a story. This story is regarding a village girl, simple village girl whose name is Boli. Actually, it is not her real name was Sulekha, but due to her physical problem which she met at the age of 2 years, now she is known in her family as Boli. Why? Because she is not in a position to speak properly, and her parents treat her as a mentally retarded child. She was the daughter of a village nambardar or village head whose name was Ram Lal. This Boli was having an attack of smallpox at the age of 2 years, due to which her body was disfigured or dishaped. It had black poke marks on her face, which added to her misery. And she's stammering. Boli had three brothers and three sisters. She was the youngest. Her brothers were sent to school and college. Her eldest sister was already married. A primary school for girls was opened in the village. Consequently, the revenue officials came to the village, Tahsildar came to the village. He directly went to the Ramlal and told Ramlal that you should send your daughters to the school so that it will become a precedence for the other people. It will become an inspiration for the other people. But this thing perturbed the Ramlal. He came back, and when he came back, he was thinking how to how to send her daughter to the school which was meant for the girls, as there was tradition in that village. They were not sending their daughters to the school. When only Boli was sent to the school, as they thought that Boli has least chance of getting married. Why? Because she was having some physical problems like stammering, her face was dishaped or disfigured. So they thought that we will send Boli to the school. The teacher in the school helped her a lot. The school teacher was a very kind lady. Boli's parents decided to marry her with a middle-aged person. When the man saw Boli's face at the time of wedding, he laid down a condition. He said that he would marry only if he is given 5,000 rupees. Boli's father had to give him the money, but now Boli refused to marry such a greedy man, as he again demanded some dowry from the Boli's father. This thing made Boli emotional, and she outrightly rejected the marriage proposal and told her father that he will not marry this cunning person, this greedy person who has no regard for the honor of my father. Boli's father. At this, Boli said that she would look after her parents in their old age, and she said that she would teach in the school where she had learned so much. As the teacher in the school has bolstered her image, she has she was encouraged by her parent, by her teacher in the school. So this is the story about the Boli, and here we see that the at home nobody cared for the Boli. Even her mother thinks her to be a burden, but her teacher shows great love and sympathy for her. She speaks to her softly. She motivated her. She fills her heart with a new hope and a new life. Though at the outset she was not able to speak in the classroom, but teacher motivated and encouraged her. As a result, she was able to speak in front of her teacher. This made Boli courageous, brave, and Boli started studying in that very school. But irony of fact is that her parents thought that they will marry her with a person in the nearby village who has proposed that he intends to marry Boli. But he was not knowing that Boli was having poke marks on her face. But at the marriage proposal, the whole scene turned ugly when he demanded dowry from the Boli's father, Ramlal. But when he again and again insisted for the dowry, Boli outrightly rejected the proposal, and the whole marriage procession went back hopelessly without Boli and the bandsmen who were with that bride. They went bridegroom. They went without any bridegroom. So this was the climax of the story. This is the known as the Boli. But though she was simpleton, but her name was Suleika. At last, she proved that she is not a Boli, but she is brave, courageous lady. Thank you. God bless you.